Hey guys, Eric here at Pioneer Survival Company, and today we're talking about pyrite. Pyrite comes from the Greek word pyrites lithos, which roughly translates to Eric's badass fire-sparking stone. Prove me wrong. Pyrite can be found in 58 Ohio counties and throughout the entire world for that matter. A good source of it would be in quartz veins, sedimentary and metamorphic rock, old coal beds, or even in fossils for that matter. Its chemical composition is iron disulfide, and we'll talk about why that's important in just a few minutes when I start a fire with this. Alright, I had to move over here to the porch real quick. As you can see, a snowstorm came through, so I wanted to get to a place that was a little easier to film. As we've been discussing, pyrite is made up of iron and sulfur. So the way, say, flint and steel works is basically the flint shaves a piece of the steel off, causing it to quickly oxidize. That creates heat, which makes your spark. With pyrite, you actually don't have to hit it against a steel striker. It already has iron in it. So you can hit it against just any rock that is harder than it. When it, breaks off the iron molecule, that will cause the spark. Also, the sulfur, much like sulfur is in gunpowder and fireworks, things like that, it'll cause it to burn hotter. That's why when you strike it against something, I don't know if you can see these sparks or not. The smell of sulfur in the morning. It gives you that awesome sulfur smell like you just shot off a gun or a firework. Alright, without any further ado, let's go ahead and see if we can get a spark transferred over here to my charred punk wood. Find a sharp spot here. There we go. I hope you can see the sparks on camera. It really, it sprays them out pretty good. There we go. That was a little bit wet, so I'm happy it actually took off. This is Eric Seitz, the Pioneer Survival Company. Feel free to check us out on Facebook and YouTube at Pioneer Survival Company, or check our website at pioneersurvivalcompany.com, where we have blog articles, pictures from our classes, videos. It's your one-stop shop. Once again, pioneersurvivalcompany.com. Thanks for watching.